Hello everyone, myself Vilman Hinal. I study in FIB.com from STChan International College. My roll number is 952 and my division is H. Today I am here to talk about the whole life policy. Let's see what is the meaning of whole life policy. When the term of assurance extends to cover whole life, that is, until the death of the life assured, it is known as whole life policy. Theoretically, the premiums under the policy must be paid until death. The assured sum becomes payable only after the death of the assured. It is clear that this policy is not useful because the premium are to be paid for a very long period and only the death risk is covered and premiums are low. LIC nowadays settles the payment of sum assured and accrued bonuses if the assured attains the age of 18. Even the premiums are low, these policies are not very popular. Alternately, limited payment plans are considered better, where the insured pays premium till certain age and afterwards. The cover continues till death under the sum assured, with accrued bonuses are paid. Further, this policy is not beneficial to insured. It is beneficial to nominee or beneficiaries only. Here, protection of family is given due importance. The policy does not have any element of investment. Now that there is an exception in whole life policy. If the assured survives up to the age of 100 years, the sum assured is paid to the assured himself or herself. Now let's see the advantages of whole life policy. So what are the advantages of the whole life policy? There are total 5 advantages. First one, rate of premium is less as compared to that of other policy. Second is the surrender value of the policy is received at the later stage, in that after the death of the assured. Third one is the benefit of policy goes to heirs or decays. Fourth one is this policy is convenient to pay inheritance tax. Fifth is it can be converted is in other type of policy. Now let's talk about the disadvantages of whole life policy. So what are the disadvantages of whole life policy? First is, since the insured has to pay premium for the whole life, in old age income becomes limited, it becomes difficult to pay the premiums. Second one is, if a man lives for a long time, the premium amount may cross over the insured sum. So there are the advantages and disadvantages of whole life policy. So that is my video for whole life policy. Thank you everyone. Bye bye.